Manage stakeholders and authors. On Fluid Attack's attack resistance management platform, the stakeholders of a group or organization are all users who can access it to visualize information or manage vulnerabilities, tags, and scope, among other things. You can find them listed in the Stakeholders sections, where they are identified by their emails. Here, you can see their roles, assigned responsibilities, first and last login times, and registration and invitation statuses. In a group, you can filter stakeholders by their role and registration status. You can download a CSV file with the list of users by clicking on the Export button. If you have the User Manager role, you can add, edit, and remove stakeholders. For adding, you need to click the Add button and then enter their email address. Bear in mind that we only accept Azure, Google, or Bitbucket email addresses. Then, select the role of the person you are adding and write their responsibility in a few words. You can find information about roles in our documentation. Click on the Confirm button when you're done. The person will receive an email to either confirm or reject their invitation. On our platform, it is possible to grant individual stakeholders access to more than one group or even all the groups of the organization. You can check in this column if the users you have sent invitations to have accepted them. Clicking the button, you can resend them if necessary. If you need to modify information about a stakeholder, select them and click on the Edit button. Change the data and click on Confirm. If instead you need to remove a stakeholder, select them, click on Remove, and confirm. On our platform, in addition to stakeholders, you have authors. In a group, they are all users who have contributed to that project's software development. In the Authors section, you can see lists of the users who have worked on your repository each month. Here's their name and email, the groups they contribute to, their latest commit, the repository name, and whether or not they are registered to our platform. If, for example, you want to know who contributed in the previous month, select the date here. You can download the list as a CSV file by clicking on Export. Also, as in other sections, you can apply filters to the list and, from this box, search for any of the data in the rows. When an author is not registered to the platform, you can send them an invitation from here directly by clicking on the Invite button. Fluid Attacks, we hack your software.